I knew nothing about technology in terms of creating, designing, and presenting something meaningful. It was difficult for me, but through the program, I've learned various skills that I never knew I knew. My name is Abigail Milele, and I'm a participant of Codehack Beginners. Before joining the program, I had recently sat for my KCSE exams. Back in my days, I had interest in designing, but I never had experience and skills. But through the program, I've learned web development, including HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, problem solving, and making a real world project. I personally have designed several projects and websites, including a school website, a cafe website, and a recent project that I'm working on under SDGs. Through the program, it has really made a great impact by helping me realize that technology is very essential and it has boosted my confidence. Moving forward, I plan to grow in technology and expanding my knowledge in various ways on designing a real world projects that are very impactful to the community. To all those who are interested in joining us, it's free for all of you, and personally, it has helped me believe in myself. So you're welcome to join us. Fuck it.